Solve this expression consisting of fractions and all the mathematical operations together with brackets and exponents. We will be following the rule of BEDMAS, and we know that in this rule, B stands for brackets, E stands for exponents, means the exponent of 2 or 3, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication. Division and multiplication are at the same level. We solve them from left to right, means whichever comes first in the step, we solve that first. Addition and subtraction are also at the same hierarchy order. We solve them from left to right. Whichever comes first, we solve them first. Now, in our question, can we see some brackets? Of course, 1/2 plus 3/4 is in the bracket. So I will be solving this. Addition of fraction means we need to make the denominator same. So I can make this 2 as 4 by times it by 2. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do the same with the numerator. So 1/2 becomes 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 2, 4, and then you have this 3 over 4 in the bracket. Okay, minus 2/3 whole square plus 3/5 times 4/6 divided by 4 over 15. Now, when the denominators are same, just add the numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the bracket part is solved with the answer of 5/4 minus. Now, we will solve this exponents because after brackets, we have the exponents. What is 2 square? 4. And what is 3 square? 9. Plus, once we solve the exponents, then we come to division and multiplication. Division and multiplication are solved from left to right. So we will do this multiplication first. 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 6 is 30 divided by 4 over 15. So we are left with 5 over 4 minus 4 over 9 plus. Now division of fractions, follow the rule of keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip means keep the first fraction as it is, 12 over 30. Change this division to multiply and flip the fraction 4 over 15 means take its reciprocal. Now I can cancel this 30 with 15 and it will be 2, and I can divide 12 with 4 and it will give me 3. So we are left with 5/4 minus 4 over 9 plus, from here I am just left with 3 over 2. Now I have subtraction and addition. They always follow the rule from left to right. So I will first subtract these fractions. Many students will do all these together. That's your choice. Okay. What is the common denominator of 4 and 9? It is 36. So I will make this as 36. So this will be 4 times 9, 36. And similarly, it will be 5 times 9, 45. Do the same with the numerator, whatever you are doing to the denominator. Minus 9 times 4 is 36, so and 4 times 4 in the numerator. So 16 over 36 plus 3 over 2. Okay, I will do over here rest of the question. So it gives me, when the denominators are same, just deal with the numerators. 45 take away 16 is 29. So 29 over 36 plus 3 over 2. How can I make this 2 as 36? Multiply it by 18. Same with numerator. So it will give me 29 over 36 plus 3 times 18 is 54. 54 over 36. Now the denominator is same. Just add the numerators. So 29 plus 54 will give you 83. So that's my answer, but it is not yet simplified. It's an improper fraction. So change it into a mixed fraction. How many times 36 goes in 83? 2 times, because 36 times 2 is 72. And then from 83, 72 parts gone, 11 parts are left. And finally, this is the answer for this big expression. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.